Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of customization and giving your rooted phone a whole new look. We're talking about installing the slick, user-friendly OnePlus launcher, and not just on OnePlus devices. That's right, with a little root magic, you can experience the smooth OnePlus interface on any rooted Android phone running Android 11 or above, as long as it's not an OPLOS ROM. But before we jump in, let's make sure you have the necessary ingredients to cook up this launcher installation. First things first, you need to have your phone rooted. Next up, we need the OPLOS Core Magisk module, version 0.2 or above. This module acts as a bridge, allowing the OnePlus launcher to function properly on your non-OnePlus device. You can grab the download link from the video description below. Alright, with the groundwork laid, let's get down to installing the actual OnePlus launcher module. We won't be mentioning the specific download link here, but you'll find it conveniently placed in the video description below. Now, depending on your root solution, you have a few options for installing the module. Open the Magisk Manager app, navigate to the Modules section, tap the plus button, and select the downloaded OnePlus Launcher module file. Easy peasy. Follow a similar approach in the KernelSU app. Find the Module Installation section and select the downloaded file. If you prefer flashing modules through a custom recovery like TWRP, you can flash the downloaded OnePlus Launcher module zip file. If you're rocking KernelSU, there's one crucial step you don't want to miss. Head over to the KernelSU app settings and make sure Unmount Modules by default is disabled. This ensures the OnePlus Launcher module remains active after a reboot. After installing the module, your phone will need a good old-fashioned reboot. Once it's back up and running, you'll need to set the OnePlus Launcher as your default home application. Head over to your phone settings, navigate to the Apps and Notifications section, and then find Default Apps, look for the Home app option, and select the OnePlus Launcher. Boom, you're now rocking the OnePlus Launcher on your rooted device. There you have it, folks. You've successfully installed the OnePlus Launcher on your rooted Android phone, not an OPLOS ROM, and unlocked a whole new way to experience your device. Take some time to explore.